Okay, so today's episode would be homemade chicken soup. Chicken vegetable soup. And you're cooking with fire. Well, maybe not fire, but we're cooking with electric, right? 12 or 15 peppers that are still growing. And this episode today is called Cooking with Carmine. The longest, probably the celery, cooking this up. And then I have a whole chicken that I had already picked up from Walmart that will be breaking apart, and we'll just be throwing that in the pot there. You know, probably might even cut this down one more. Put everything into this big pot here and get that going. It really doesn't, you know. I should be washing my hands here. You know, when you have one of these, it makes you feel like you're a professional, you know. Now this is the mixed vegetables. I have this on about number 3. Alright, I think we'll strip the chicken. This is how you judge. But first we're going to put this in. I think I did a pretty good job of hopefully not having any. Right? No bones, Sam? Right? No bones?